Hey, Matthews here. Let me show you how I was able to make about $3,500 on one trade right here, right now. Okay, so if you look at this particular trade right here, let's go to the 2 hour time frame. Actually, let me show you what was happening before all this happened right here. So if you go to this level right here, you can clearly see this is what they had right here. So I saw a nice drop based rally with the QML low and higher high being formed and structure was broken to the upside, right? Beautiful stuff right there. So the market pushing to the upside, then we saw the Asian range being formed at this level right here. When that happened, I was like, okay, I want to see the market taking out the Asian high or low. The market took out the Asian low, and then the market came into my area of value right. You can see that once we had this level right here, we I was able to send this setup as a signal to our private community. Then this trade actually went all the way to this level right here. So you can see this is what we had right here. We saw the market coming to this level right here, giving us a nice rejection on the lower time frame. You can see this was taken on the 15 minutes time frame. We had this beautiful rejection right here, and I sent the signal just when we entered right here, and we saw the market push it to the upside. And then once the market came and broke this level right here, I had to tell the community to actually move the stop loss to break even, right? You can see that it was actually mentioned here. Move the stop loss to break even, and see what happened here. The market pushed to the upside, and then started to drop a little bit to the downside right here. Dropped a little bit, and until it came all the way to the entry, meaning people were taken out on a break-even trade right here. However, if you've been in my course, in our mastery course, we have two types of entries, right? We have what we call the aggressive entry, and we also have what we call a confirmatory entry or the re-entry setup right here. What you're able to see right here is a perfect re-entry setup. So what you always have to do is, this is a drop based strategy right here. You see the market breaking structure right here, right? When you see this, you can still wait for the market to pull back into this area. This is your area of value. You wait for the market to come to this level, and you see that the market perfectly came into this area and then rejected that from here, and we saw the market now just kept on pushing to the upside after most people were taken out on the break even. Unfortunately, the re-entry was not sent in our private community. Only those that knew this setup were able to enter this particular trade. I had some of the guys managed to actually take this particular trade. Let me show you this guy. This guy managed to actually capture this trade right here. Well, let me see if I can have it. Let me show you this guy. Yeah, some guys were able to actually catch this trade. Let me just show you this guy here. Conrad, yeah, is able to take this trade right here, and yeah, it's going all the way nicely right now, and this is how far it actually went. And I was able to just get out from this particular trade with about 3,500, and now we've seen the market reversing right here. Basically, they caught about 1 to 17 risk reward ratio. Our target was up above right here, but it was about 1 to 18, and now I got out from somewhere here after a beautiful rejection from this level right here. Therefore, got out with about 1 to 16 risk reward ratio, which is about $3,500 right here. Really, really beautiful stuff right here. So this is how it is. I stated very clearly in our mastery course right here when it comes to the re-entry kind of setup right here. So whenever the market is still in your zone, you have to enter the particular trade because it's still in your zone. The market didn't validate or invalidate your trading setup. The setup is still valid. Therefore, you are obligated to take that trade because it's still a valid trade. So those that managed to actually take this trade, congratulations. And then sorry for you guys who were able just to go out with the break-even trade. I hope you get something from this one right here. So this is how it is, guys. Re-entries happen. They occur most commonly. Sometimes the market is going to go in a direction, then it's going to pull back into that level right here. You have to take the particular trade. Sometimes won't be available to actually tell you to take the trade, but I expect you guys to, especially the guys in the mentorship community, I expect you guys to actually take this trade because we've talked about this trade setup and it's something that you're supposed to know. So if you didn't know, I hope you found some value from this video right here. I'll pop up the screenshot right here of the profits I was able to make from this particular trade, and actually shared on my Telegram, on my Instagram right there. So check it out. I hope you found value from this video. If you have, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.